My friends, this story is 2 years old, but it sounds as fresh as yesterday. And in today's world, in today's modern world, the politics are polarizing. The wealth is unequally shared. There's lots of injustice, war, violence, hatred, and jealousy. And we all see this on the TV, or perhaps we experience in our daily life. It is so easy today to be powerless. It is so easy to be lost, just as the disciples. It is so uncertain today what is a way forward. After the death of Jesus, the disciples were troubled. The disciples were confused. They were anxious. They don't know what to do. And perhaps it happens in our own lives. When there is the death in our family, we are lost. Perhaps a good job is lost, we are troubled. Or perhaps when there is turbulence in our own married life, we are lost. Or perhaps when there is lots of pressure at our work, we are lost. And at this moment, like Thomas, we need to ask Jesus, Lord, how can we find the way? We need to ask this to Jesus.